Hey there traders, I'm Rory Kruger, Chief Currency Coach at Traders Haven during the Pip Banker sessions, and what I want to show you is what we got up to today in the London and New York sessions. But before I get into that, guys, I just wanted to say thank you for those that sent me private messages and emails expressing a bit of appreciation for the videos. We'll continue making the videos for you because we really enjoy showing you what we get up to in the live sessions. And if you have questions or comments on those videos, guys, email me or private message me. I'm always willing to answer that for you. All right, so let's get into what we did today. As you're looking at the Euro-Dollar 4-hour chart here in front of you, this chart right about here, you'll notice some interesting levels. For instance, we've got that beautiful declining trend line on the Euro-Dollar 4-hour chart. Now, roughly when we got into that area, we started seeing a big wick forming up. And that's one thing that immediately caught my attention. And I said to the guys in the room, this is looking interesting. And we noticed on the 30-minute chart, look at that congestion through there, the indecision, bullish candle, big bearish, big bullish, big bearish. That there was something I highlighted to the guys. And I said, this here for the first time is showing me some indecision. And I think that we're going to be looking for downside. But I still wanted a good price action pattern off a good level. So then we went up to the hourly chart. And what do we get? A beautiful shooting star pattern right off the monthly S1. So as we usually do, I entered my pending order just below that, put a stop loss just above, and so far as you can see, it's been down here to about 210 pips profit, sitting now at about 172, so not looking bad at all. Stop loss is protecting quite a few pips here as well at the moment. If I can grab that up there for you, protecting 130 pips on that trade, so guaranteed 130 pips. I've also got a portion of this trade out. We've broken below the weekly pivot, so looking good. Notice on the chart, the 1 minute chart here, we're starting to look a little bit bearish there as well. So hopefully that little 15-minute chart is indicating to us that this little rise has been completed and maybe we start bearing off for some more profit. But not a bad trade, 130 pips guaranteed, 175 or somewhere around that area at the moment, and looking for potential more out of that trade. But that's not the only trade we were in. Have a look at the pound. Here's the pound against the dollar. Now, if I pull up the 1 hour chart here for you, you'll see a trade I got into on Friday. I got into a long here on Friday, and this morning, a little bit later on, late morning here in the London session, I closed this out for 230 pips profit there. All right, as you can see, I closed that one out for 230 pips profit. At that time, a few minutes later, or about a couple hours or so later, sorry, not a couple hours, a couple minutes later, the hourly chart here closed, all right, the hourly candle closed, and it gave us a beautiful bearish hourly candle formation on the next hourly candle. So, you know, look at that there. We've got a bearish outside bar or bearish engulfing bar on the hourly chart. And if you look at the same area on the 30-minute, we've got the weekly M3 up there. We've got the 61.8. We've got the 4-hour looking nice and wicky to the top side there. So, you know, what should we do? Well, what we always do. You take a fib of that outside pattern, the outside bar pattern, look for an entry off a logical level, 382, 50, or 61. Now, for me personally, I had to wait quite a while, as you can see here. For my entry, it was only triggered there, but that was because I wanted a 61.8 retracement, because I didn't want a huge stop loss on this one, guys, because remember, you place your stop loss above the pattern. So if you enter down the bottom here, your stop loss is quite big. I mean, let's just fib that for you quickly. That's about an 85 pip stop loss. Whereas when I entered this trade, let me just grab that there for you. My stop loss wasn't so bad at all. My stop loss was here about 33 pips. So, you know, what would you prefer, 33 or 85 pips as a stop loss? So what I've done is, you know, I took the 33 pip stop loss at the top there, and as we're moving into profit now, you can see it's been down to about 153 pips profit on this trade so far. I've got 94, 95 pips locked in profit, guaranteed, and we'll see how far this trade is going to take us as well. Giving me a little bit of a worry here, bouncing off this weekly pivot point. I would like to see a close of the hourly candle below there. Look, if it's a 30-minute close below, that's even better. But if the hourly closes, I'll settle for that. Below that weekly pivot, maybe that continues for further downside. So that was pretty nice as well. 230 pips on the way up, you know, 100 and something pips on the way down, 100 and something pips as well on the way down there for the euro. So basically just a little bit over 600 pip day today, nice and profitable. Enjoyed the New York session with Ronan there, who was hosting the New York session for us. Had a great trading day today, guys. If you want to join us in the Pip Banker sessions for New York or for London, pop over to fap-tradershaven.com. We'd love to have you join us. It's a great group of trading guys there. And so if you want to come and ask questions, watch us trade in the live market. Remember, guys, this is a live account. You see me take my trades. I'm not a signal service. Neither is Traders Haven a signal service. But we do not hide our live trades from you. You see us take live trades, you see us take our wins, you see us take our losses. You can see, guaranteed, you know that we are profitable traders just by watching us trade every day in the market. So if you want to join us, pop over to the forum there, register, and you can join us in those Pip Banker sessions on a daily basis. See you there. Cheers.